Good morning, students. Today we are going to start a new chapter. It is chapter number 6, page number 73. And name of this chapter is Changing Costumes and Backdrops in Scratch. Okay, changing costumes and backdrops in Scratch. So in this chapter, what we are going to learn, how can we add and delete sprites, how can we change the appearance of the costume of sprite, how can we change backgrounds, and how can we add sound effects. Okay, so let's start this chapter for today. First of all, there is a think and discuss related things given here. Let's start from here. Read the questions and write your answers in the given space. Question number 1. Do you watch animated movies? Write down name of 2 of your favorite animation movie characters. So I have written some animated uh, movie characters name. You can write of your own. Okay. Second, how do you think the characters move, jump, and dance in the movies? Write the answer here. Okay. This one is a task for you. You have already seen that all the animated characters in animated movies or animated series are moving, jumping, dancing, talking with each other. Then how do you think it is possible to do in the movie? Okay, write the answer of your own, think, research from Google, and write it here. Okay. Now question number 3. Create a flip book showing movements of a character. So here is a flip book. Okay. All cartoons and animations are made using different software programs that are used to create the characters and make them walk, fly, talk, and jump around just like a flip book. In the previous class, we have learned that MIT Scratch is a program created for children around the world to create animations, games, music, and stories. We can also learn how to add sprite, make it move, think, talk, and so forth. In this chapter, we will learn to create a simple movie about one sprite chasing the other using a Scratch program. Let us first revise how to add more sprite to our program and add different backgrounds. Okay, let's start. Open page number 74. Adding and deleting sprites. As we learned in previous class, in order to create scenes, we need to add sprites on the sprite area. Let us revise how to add a new sprite and delete an existing sprite. We can add a new sprite by using the choose a sprite option in the sprite area. A new sprite will appear next to the current sprite. There is no restriction on the number of sprites one can add in a program. But remember, more the sprites, the slower the program could get and the screen could look very crowded. Thus, add only a specific number of sprites. Here, do you notice something weird in figure 6.1? This one is figure 6.1. Okay. Here it asked a question, the book asked us a question that do you notice something weird in the figure 6.1? Here we have added 2 sprites, a fish and a cat. However, both of these do not seem like they can be in the same frame, as cat is a land animal while a fish is a water animal. We should choose characters in the movie that complement each other as well as a story. Thus, we can delete the cat sprite by following the given below. Click the sprite that needed to be deleted. Click on the dustbin icon that appears on the top right. The sprite disappears from the stage and sprite area. After sprite is deleted, add another sprite as we need two characters in the movie. Okay. So in this page, it is informed to us that what is weird in this picture. It is weird that in a same frame, we cannot keep a land animal along with a water animal because the story would not be quite fruitful. Okay, as cat and fish cannot live on the same place, that's why we have to choose the sprites or choose the characters wisely. Okay, if you are making a story uh, in a water area, then we have to choose water animals only. If we are creating a story on a land base, then we have to select the sprites which are on land animals. Okay. Then I am going to show you practically how we are going to add sprites and delete sprites. Okay. So first of all, how we are going to open the software. The name of the software is Scratch. Okay. Name of the software is MIT Scratch. So click on the start icon. Click on all programs. Search for Scratch here. Here is Scratch. Just click on it. Now we can clearly see that the software is opening. We have to wait for some time until the software loads. Okay. Now Scratch software is open here. Okay. As you can see here is a cat sprite is already present. And in this chapter, we are going to create a movie where we need a sprite which is chasing another sprite. Okay. Let us consider we are doing it in a water based area. Okay. So we have to add some new sprites. Okay. So you can go here. You can see that choose the sprite option comes here. Okay. You have to click on it. Then all the sprites, hundreds of sprites are there, which appears here. We have to choose animal. So here, you can click on animals. Look at here. Here are all the animals present. Now, as we are dealing in a water-based area, that's why we have to select fish. The shark is there. You have to click on shark. Then again add animals, another fish. You can, yes, here is a fish. You can select it. Then there are three sprites on the same frame where shark and fish belongs to water, whereas cat is a land animal. That's why we have to delete cat sprite from here. To delete cat sprite, we have to select on sprite 1. You can look at here. This one is sprite 1. You have to select on it. Then here, delete. Okay. There is a dustbin icon appears here. You can just delete it. Then yes, it is deleted. It gets deleted. Okay, so students. So according to our requirements, there are two characters present on this screen. Now open page number 75. Sprite costumes. It means costumes mean how we can change the appearance of the sprites. So sprite costumes. Costumes are one of the many looks as sprite has. Every sprite has minimum of one costume pre-designed in Scratch. Having more than one costume increases the possibilities of changing the appearance of the sprite. Costumes can be added, deleted, or edited. We can also create new costumes using Paint Editor. We can access sprite costumes by clicking on Costumes tab in the palette. In figure 6.3, the shark has two inbuilt costumes, where each costume signifies a different temper of the shark sprite. The paint editor enables us to change the color of the costume and text to it, flip it horizontally, vertically, and so on. To change the costume to a wide mouth shark, simply select the second costume by clicking on it. Let us learn how to change the costume of a sprite in detail. Now, students, we are going to change the costume of a sprite. Let's do it practically. I have opened the Scratch software where two characters are already present. As we are going to change the costume of the shark, that's why we have to click on this shark picture, then click on costumes. Okay, look at here. There are two predefined costumes which are already present in the shark sprite area. You can just click on it. You can clearly see that the temper of the shark goes very different. Okay, the looks of the shark one changed. Okay, we can also edit here. We can also edit the costume of a shark, for example, by clicking on the brush, by changing the color of the brush, we can color the shark. Okay, for example, I am changing the color of shark's fin like this. Okay, the costume get changed a little bit. Huh? I can also change this portion of the scratch. Look carefully how I am doing it. So in this way, we can change the predefined costumes of the shark also. Okay, according to our requirement. So there are two costumes which are already present in the Scratch software. Now I am changing or adding some more effects to the shark sprite. Got it, students? So this way we can change the costume and costume appearance of a predefined sprite. Now let's go to page number 76. Adding a new costume that I have already shown you. There are multiple ways of adding new costume. Some of these are discussed below. Using the choose a costume option from the Scratch library. Painting a new sprite using the paint option. Using surprise for Scratch to randomly add a costume. Getting an already saved image from the computer using the upload costume options under the costumes tab. Click a picture from camera option and then uploading it. There are various types of ways to add or change costume. For example, this one is the costume of the current shark. Okay, current sprite. If we want to change it, then click on the choose a costume option. Okay, you can choose from here, or we can use paint option. Just I have just done it. We can click on surprise also. By clicking on surprise, the costume of the animal changed. Okay. Okay. The costume of the animal get changed. Similarly, upload a costume, we have to select the upload costume, then select the picture that we want to upload here, then it appears here. Okay, so indirectly we can also add costumes here. Okay, so let's go to the previous one. So to add costumes, there are the here is the option to add new costumes. Okay, choose a costume, click on it, then you can edit by clicking on the paint option, or you can click on surprise to get different types of sprites, or you can also upload the new costume from here. Okay, editing a costume, we can edit the costume of a sprite to change its appearance. Select the parts that you need to be deleted or edited. Make the required changes to that costume in the paint editor. We can also have various blocks from the looks blocks category to change the appearance of the sprite. Okay, let's see. So here are some options given to edit a particular sprite. Okay, for example, you can just click on fill color tool, choose the color from here. Okay, choose the color from here, then look at here, the color get changed. Yes or no? Again, if you want to make it darken, the shark's color get changed. Again, if we want to change the appearance of this fish, then here just click on the fish, then costumes. Here are, we can also change the costume of this fish. Next, so this way we can edit costume of a sprite. Next, using next costume block, using next costume block. This block is used to change the costume of a sprite in between the program. We run it displays the next costume available for the sprite. For example, if we are choosing this sprite, then we have to click on code. Then how we are going to command this fish to change its appearance? First of all, we have to search events. Okay, when this flag, there is a green color flag appeared here. Okay, when this flag is clicked, drag it and leave it here. When this flag is clicked, move to 100 steps here, motion. Okay, you can just click motion on it. You can change 10 to 100 here and just drag it and let it be here. When this flag is clicked, move 100 steps. Then next costume. Search for costumes. Where is costumes? Looks. Next costume. Drag it here. Let's see what is happening. So when this flag is clicked, drag the to here. Okay. When this flag is clicked, move to 10 steps, then looks, next costume. Let's go to the costume now. Delete these costumes. So this way we can create a story. Okay, let's see. So for example, this one is a hungry shark. Okay, roaming around the sea, searching for food. Now we are going to start the movie. When this he just saw his food, then he get ready to eat the fish. Okay, this type in this type we can see this. Okay, so this way we can create move and sprite. Okay, next page number 77. This block changes the sprite costume to a specified one. It is used whenever a sprite must switch to a specific costume, unlike next costume block, which only switches to next costume in the list. Switch costume to costume 1 block is one of the most commonly used to block in Scratch. So while putting the code, in case of using next costume, we can just put it here. Okay. So we can give command that click on the costume, change the appearance of shark like this. Okay, put the shark behind the fish. Then we are going to put a new code where we are coding to inform the shark, to give command the shark that to change this particular shape only. Okay, so now if we click, when this flag is clicked, move to 10 steps, switch costume to shark 2B. Okay, let's see what happens when this flag is clicked. Then okay, so this type we can use switch costume to costume 1 or next a particular costume in this process. Deleting a costume. So in this way we are going to learn how to delete a costume. Select on the costumes, click on the dustbin icon that is given on the top of this costume box. Okay, just click on it. Then this costume will get deleted. Okay, students.